Welcome. My name is Ken Cousin. I want to say a couple of words about our workshop on functional modern Java. The basic idea is that Java has been evolving rather rapidly over the past few years. Now that it's on a 6-month release schedule, features are making it into the marketplace a lot more quickly than they used to, even though only every 3 years do they have a so-called long-term support version. With all that, the number of changes that have been added to the language has really started to accumulate. And in this workshop, we're basically going to go through them in a prioritized list to try to give you an opinion as to which ones are worth spending your time on and which ones probably aren't. So we're going to cover things like the basics of streams and lambdas and method references, the normal functional features that were added in Java 8, but we're also going to look at local variable type inference. We'll take a look at the enhanced switch statements and the various other preview features that have been added, like records and text blocks. And again, try to give you a sense of whether they're worth spending your time on and when they aren't, or maybe more along the lines of explaining under what conditions are these useful. That's something that we'll focus on when we start talking about modules, for example. So that's the basic lineup. And of course, it will be customized each time we run it to make sure that we're talking about whatever is really new and different that's been added and give an assessment as to whether it's useful. And the topics will also vary based on what you're interested in, whatever the attendees have as a priority or an interest, and we'll cover that. So that's the basic plan, and I hope you're able to join me.